Good morning students. So today the topic of the subject is regression analysis. So what is regression? When we talk about regression, we are talking about two or more variables and it establishes a relationship between two or more variables in which one is dependent, another is independent. Unlike correlation, when in correlation we talk about two variables which are dependent upon each other, but whereas in regression we talk about variables in which one is dependent, another is independent. So in this chapter, we will cover the three methods. One will be the regression with the help of freehand curve, second with the help of the regression equations, and third will be from the regression coefficients. So the first method I am taking up is the regression equation method. In regression, there are two equations. One is x on y, another is y on x. So when we talk about x on y, it is x is equal to a plus by, and when we talk about y on x, there is y on x is equal to y is equal to a plus bx. So coming on the first equation, that is x on y, in which x is dependent and y is independent. So that means the values that are, we have to find the value of the x based on the independent variable, that is y. To solve the equation of x and y, we will use this formula, that is summation x is equal to ma plus b summation y. Summation xy is equal to a summation y plus b summation y square. Similarly, on y on x, the equation will be summation y is equal to ma plus b summation x. Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So coming up to the question, there will be two variables, one is x, another will be y. So the questions will be, the values of x is given 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 8 and 4. Y values are given 7, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2 and 6. So as per the formula, we know that we have to calculate summation x, we have to calculate summation y. We have to calculate the value of summation xy. We have to calculate the value of summation y square. That means from these two equations, we have to find the value of a as well as b. So first we will be, totaling the values of x. So if we add 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4, that will come to be 31. So summation x is equal to 31. Similarly, we can find summation y by adding the values of y, that is 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, that will come to be 24. Now we have to find the x square, that means I will be squaring the values of x. 2 into 2, 4, 6 into 6, 36, 4 into 4, 16, 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 8 into 8, 64, 4 into 4, 16. Similarly, to find y square, I will be squaring the values of y, that is 7 into 7, 49, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4, 6 into 6, 36, and then we have to total the values of y square, that comes to be 108. Then we have to come to the xy, 2 into 7, 14, 6 into 2, 12, 4 into 1, 4, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 8 into 2, 16 and 4 into 6 is 24. Then we have to find the summation xy, which is equal to 83. Now I will be putting the values of all these into the first and second equation. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So putting the values in first equation, that is summation x is equal to na plus b summation y. What is n here? Number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number is 8. So summation x is 31 as we have calculated. So 31 is equal to n is 8. So a will be the constant, so it will be same. Plus what is summation y is 24, so I will be putting 24b. Summation xy is equal to 83, so I have put 83 here. Summation y 24 and summation y square is 108. Now I have to solve the linear equation. So what I have to do, I have to equal the value of either a or b. So in this equation, I am making the values of a equal. So for that, I will be multiplying the first equation with 3 so as to make it 24 and second equation by 1. So when I multiply the whole equation 1 with 3, it will come to be 93 is equal to 24a plus 72b. So, and it will be multiplied by 1. So, it will be same. 83 is equal to 24a plus 108b. Now, to solve the equation, I have to change the signs. So, if it is, if the number is positive, I will put negative sign. So, as 83 is positive, so I have put negative sign and negative sign. 93 minus 83 is equal to 10. 24 minus 24 will give me 0. 72 minus 108 will give me minus 36b. So, it will be, so when I have to solve it, so it will be minus 10 upon 36 is equal to b. So, the value of b, that is minus 0.28. Now, I will be substituting the value of b in equation 1, that is this one. So, 31 is equal to 8a plus 24 into minus 28 that we have just calculated. So, 31 is equal to 8a minus that I have multiplied it 24 into minus 28. So, that comes minus 6.72. So, 31 plus 6.72 is equal to 8a. That becomes 37.72 is equal to 8a. So, a is equal to 37.72 upon 8 is give you 4.715. Now, I have to put the value of a and b in this original equation, which is equal to x is equal to a plus by. So, x is equal to 4.715 minus 0.28y. So, this is x on y. So, the answer that you will have, it will be in equation form. That is why this method is called regression equation method. So, this is x on y. Now, we have to calculate the regression equation y on x. So, for y on x, we know that y is equal to a plus bx. So, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So, I have to solve these two equations to find the value of a as well as b. So, as we have calculated all the values, so I will be putting the same values again in y on x equation. So, what is summation y here? Summation y is 24. So, the first equation will be 24 is equal to 8a plus 31b. And second equation will be 83 is equal to 31a plus 153b. So, again, I have to equal either a or b value. So, I will be doing the a value. So, what I have to do is, I multiply the value 31 with first equation and 8 value with the second equation. That means, so as I have to equal these ones so that they can come with each other. So, when I multiply 31 with first equation, it will be 744 and 31 into 8 will be 248a. 31 into 31, that will give me 961b. Similarly, if I multiply 8 with second equation, that will give me 664 is equal to 248a plus 1224b. Again, applying the formula of regression equation to solve it, I have to change the sign. So, when I change the sign and I solve it, I get 80 is equal to minus 263b. So, similarly, I got the value of b, that is 0.30 in negative. Now, I will be putting the value of b in equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, if I put the value of b in equation a, I will get 24 is equal to 8a plus 31 into minus 30. So, 24 is equal to 8a minus 9.3. So, 24 plus 9.3 will be equal to 8a. So, the value of a will be 4.16. Now, I got the value of a as well as of b. So, I will be putting the value of a and b in this equation, that is a main equation, which is known as y is equal to a plus bx. So, the value of y is 4.16 minus 0.30x. So, this is the method that we use for this is the method that we use for regression equation method. Sometimes they say that you have to find the regression equation of x and y when y is equal to, let's say, 3. So, then what I have to do, I have to put the value 3 in x and y equation. That means x is equal to 4.715 minus 0.28 into y, that y is 3 as it is given in the question. So, then if I solve it, I'll get the value of